Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So basically what this channel is about, it's like, well, it's role plays basically, and I do a little bit of gameplays. I would like tutorials on games, but that is basically it for that. And I started a World War III roleplay and a Minecraft Crafting Dev roleplay that will come in 2018 in June, and we're just in the middle of building on that. It will be on Minecraft Xbox One. Anyways, what this video is about, I just want to know if you guys want to join any of my roleplays. And how do you join is all you gotta do is like fill the form in the description below, and then you'll be in. The form is easy task to do. All you gotta do is like fill your Xbox One gamer tag. Oh man, I got a cough. Fill your Xbox One gamer tag. If you're good at acting or not good at acting. If you have Skype, please be sure to put your name so I can get in contact with you. So that is basically it. I just wanted to let you know you guys can join my roleplays that are coming soon, and you can also join my World War III roleplay on Ghost Recon Wildlands, my Minecraft roleplays. I'll be having more roleplays. There's a lot more coming, guys. You guys will see. And yeah, that is basically it for this video. So yeah, just go down there and fill the form, and yeah, you guys can join my roleplays, and we can beat each other on Xbox. I also have another account, Foxy Plays. I have 229 subs. Go check it out. The link will be down in the description. Same with for the Google Docs form. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and yeah, peace.